While we wait for the market to open, I thought we had some pretty cool structure coming into today. So let's go to a 30-minute chart here for a second. Let's actually just take off all the lines. So you have a balance here from about let's call it 45 to I don't know 51.87. That looks about right. So you have a balance here. FOMC happens last Wednesday. It gives you this huge ripper right into the close, right? It starts around 2 o'clock. You get this huge ripper, close up around 95-ish, and then we spent a couple days. We spent all of Thursday, all of Friday holding the bid up above Wednesday's highs and Wednesday's close. So we held all that, and now it looks like we're starting to lose that bid. We're going to be opening under all of the prior day and all of the T plus 2 structure, so highs, lows, opens, closes, whatever else is in there, value areas, points of control, this and that. We're opening below all of it. We're opening on a gap down, trading 78s currently, and the low, I use the 4 p.m. low, was at 91s. Looks like we made a lower low. Yeah, 89. So we are gapping down by about 10 points. Europe, 4 a.m. right now is when they open. I think until the end of the month, maybe next month, their time zone changes. They started selling, right? 4:30 is kind of where we've been seeing a seller. Here you go. Here's 4:30 on Friday. There you go. Kind of marks the highs. And where's 4:30 on this day? 4:30. There you go. Right around there. So we've been seeing Euro continually sell. The overnight was unable to trade into Friday's value very significantly. That was at 94. That was also a level of interest, kind of 93, 94. You can see where it caught bids on Friday pre-market, but unable to trade above there, unable to get into the point of control or value area high. Instead, just this nice clean selling. Nasdaq, similar situation, actually worse off, has not traded above VWAP since about 10:30 p.m. last night. So here's what I'm looking for. Ideally, you want to see buyers step in at the highs of this balance, and to me, 46 looks like the spot for that. That's where we kept getting offers here. That's where we kept staying a little bit bid off of here when we tried to break out on that Thursday pre-market, and that is once again where we found offers on Tuesday and Wednesday before the FOMC event. So to me, that is the highest spot where anyone in this balance may be trapped. Now, on a smaller time frame, if we go down to a 5-minute or a 2-minute or something, you can see we had sellers trying to step in, maybe even a 1 minute, because this action was so fast after the FOMC event. It kind of behaves like a 5-minute. You can see we had a seller showing up right around here, right? There's a seller sitting somewhere in here, this kind of 60 to 68 area, and to me, it looks like 62s. The reason why is because you get a sell around here. It looks like about 65 is the lowest area. Then another sell here around 63s, and another sell here around 62s. So to me, I want to be bid around 62s. And that is the high of this little mini balance we made after the FOMC event. So I want to be bid at the highs of this, so 62s, and I want to be bid again at the highs of this huge balance zone, right? This pretty much month-long balance zone. I want to be bid at the highs of this, which is 46s. So that's why you're seeing bid at 46 half. Let me just make sure it's 46 half and not 46 and 3/4. I actually might bring that down a tick, 46 quarter. Yeah, looks about right. I don't want to miss this by a tick. That'll piss me off rightly. 46 half. And bid again, 62s. Offers. Here's what I'm thinking. We got a strong offer on that FOMC day right here, 89-ish, okay? 88, 89. That is, once again, where you get some sort of offer. You can see the high of this candle, and then it sells down to here. So once again, right around 89. Where's the low of day from Friday? 89. Where do we keep getting bids here? 89-ish, right? So, given we're gapping down, given we're opening below all this crap above us, this is going to be the most aggressive short to me. I had a level of 84s. I got hit overnight, gave a good bid. Maybe that acts as the offer, but if we're just 5 points within a gap close, we're probably going to close the gap. Above there, 97s to me are the last area to get short. Once again, we had an offer here after hours on Wednesday. That's where we had a huge bid on Friday overnight. That's where we tried to hold some selling, right? You can see us try to hold it pre-market on Friday, tried to hold the bid there on Friday, lost the bid, had a nice sell there for about 10 points. So to me, 97s are the last spot. Above there, and you're starting to trade above Friday's open, above Friday's point of control, above Friday's value area high. And to me, you take out these highs and you start trading somewhere around 16 to 10. And at that point, after a gap down, fully reversing and breaking yesterday's highs, I've got no interest in being short. That's all I got for today. Let's see how this pans out. Maybe I'll do a little after market recap as well. Hope that helps. Have a great night, or great morning, I suppose. Trade safe.